Okay guys, this is just a quick little video on how to replace the servo on your Granite. Same with the Typhon, both the same, the 3S versions. On this particular car, I was having trouble with the receiver, and it wasn't really that old. It was, this receiver right here. You can see it very well. But that's was for my radio link, and it was kind of nice because it had the gyro and everything. But what happened was moisture somehow got into my little box here and just destroyed it. So I just put the stock Arma servo, receiver back in. So it works perfect now. Also, I don't know if it was from hitting it so much. Nothing happened to the car from all the smacks it got, but the servo started flaking out on me and it got really bad. So this was the stock servo that was in there. I should turn it the right direction, I guess. That's the stock servo, plastic and stuff. So I replaced the servo with this guy that I got at the local hobby store. I actually have another servo coming, but this one might even be better. They really recommended it highly, so I don't know. I'll leave a link in the description. And then that's about it for the car. I think I went over my little battery trick here. I got a nice new battery, 3S, so pretty happy with that. And this little bar, holds the battery in, because the Granite, it just throws batteries. It just spits them out. The batteries don't come out now. And what I did is I just took some 1/4 bolts and ran them through, and that's how I did that, okay? So that's my little trick. And then I like it because I can do my wire management with the harness. Anyways, camera fell over. Yeah, and then I can manage my wires with the harness. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough.